Only first.
It did certainly look like it come off his hands and went forward.
This is Langui to Gigot. Here's Julien, and the Catalan Dragons are in early. The Catalan Dragons go in for the first try of the night. That's how close they are, 8 metres or so away. Clark gives it to Brown. Brown stabs the kick to the in-goal area. Bryson Goodwin collects, and Bryson Goodwin responds for the Warrington Wolves.
He really stuck in this evening.
Roberts gets the ball away to Ratchford. That's a great try from John Charnley. Josh Charnley, fantastic since his return to Rugby League from Rugby Union. Absolute. He's looking for the penalty. Kevin Brown, referee said nope very quickly. Roberts to the corner, high kick. Yaha tried to get it. Charnley loses it. Eventually finds its way to Darrell Clark. Here is Joe Philbin. Still on the last, Philbin. Still on the last. Ratchford stabs it forward. Livett tries to pick it up. Livett will score. I think that this might have to be. Warrington hold him out. McIlorum, he's seen a gap. McIlorum goes for it, and that was a massive space. And then got back and pulled him down. Garcia, dummy half, 10 metres out. Drinkwater again, slides the kick in, and they picked it up brilliantly. That is a try, is it, for Gigot? But I tell you what, he's done himself some damage here.